Hello and welcome to my presentation involving collision with tackling a punching bag as shown in the video. So this is supposed to depict a tackle or ram in real life. For instance, it could be depicted in football, or if someone's just attacking you, committing assault and all. The reason why my recording does not seem that well is because it is on my phone, unfortunately, because I could not figure out how to download Logger Pro on my Chromebook, sadly. So, and my PC doesn't have a webcam or any kind of recording on its monitor, sadly. But a few information things I'd like to get out of the way for measurements is while it may not seem like it, the punching bag is around my height, which is 5'7.5" feet, or in other words, 20.574 meters. And then the mass of me is you know what? Let me look. It is 58.967 kilograms. And as for the punching bag, it is excuse me. It is around 10 kilograms. I remembered. Sorry. I am so sorry. It is 10 kilograms in mass. So I have depicted my graph over here, and hopefully I did this right, to where I click on my nose every time, to where as I start approaching and start tackling, wow, my nose is hardly moving. But as I approach, it's getting kind of hard. And then my nose just basically goes straight forward from here, even though it's a little blurry. Just say we'll stop right there, and I'd say I have an okay looking graph for the most part. This is where it started. So I would assume, based off here in the red, would be the best part for a graph in the red for slope. Which is not honestly that great, but for the change in time, it is 0.3620, and for the change in velocity, it would be 8. So some concepts would be I could find a velocity a different way if I used a trick that Mr. Stafford taught us. If I remember correctly, I could grab my notebook, but I don't want to make, I don't want to make this video any longer than it should be, and I don't want to keep you guys waiting. If I remember correctly, a trick was velocity equals the square root of 2 times the height times the acceleration or gravity or free fall, g, which then if we solved it, 2 times the height, which is 20.574, times a height of, wait, I already said height, sorry, and then times an acceleration of 10, that would give us a total velocity of, right here, oh, you can't see it, hold up. It's a little blurry, but it's 411.48 meters per second. And then you can solve momentum by implementing the mass of me, because we're trying to find the momentum of me, since the punching bag doesn't really move at all. So if we were trying to find that, the mass of me was, if we go look back, was 58.967, which is 58.967 kilograms times meters per second would be the momentum. You can also find a position if I put it into a different graph as well. But if we also look at my video analysis on the right, because this is the original one, which I'm not sure. It was very hard to set this up, and I was very confused. But from the looks of my data on the left, it looks pretty consistent and kind of slopey. So that means I hope I did a good job on marking my points. But anyways, I hope this presentation is good and well done. And as for the credits, I'm the only one in my group. Well, that is... Oopsie, sorry. That is my presentation. I hope I did well. And see ya.